taking a standard 8-foot 2-lamp strip T-12 and convert that over to a 4 lamp T-8, and that would just involve changing out a ballast and then possibly putting on different tombstones and a different cover. There's several different types of retrofit kits out there that you can utilize to make this transition. And the reason we put these together is to allow owners to be able to just really take a quick look and say, hey, is this something for me? Does it make sense for my company? So I just wanted to walk through how to use that. These sheets are somewhat customized to our service area here in Michigan, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute as we walk through it. But real simple to use, just meant to give you some quick numbers to calculate energy savings. So on the left-hand side, the very first column is a number of fixtures, which should be pretty obvious. So if you have 25 fixtures, to give you a rough idea, you'd either use the number for 20 or 30, or you could obviously interpolate between the two. But so that's utilizing the number of fixtures there. The next column is the fixture lifetime savings. Now that is how much you would expect to save over the life of the fixture, which could either be the bulb life and or the fixture life. And we like to look at that number because it's important to utilize, to look at the big picture and how much savings will you get with your investment in energy efficiency. The next three columns, the DTE rebate, the consumer's rebate, and LB, W, and L, are the three utilities that we most commonly deal with. And these numbers that are here are the cash incentives that you could expect to receive if you were doing this project in these three areas. Now this, obviously is intended to be an example. You'd have to check into, or have us check into, what the incentives are for your specific area. But in this case, as you can see, there is quite a variation between the different utilities. The gray column here is the annual kilowatt savings. So that's saying if you make the upgrade, this is the amount of kilowatt hours that you would actually reduce, which in effect generates your annual energy savings, which is the column next to it in the pink. And the annual energy savings is calculated by taking the number of kilowatt hours and multiplying that by what we use as an average on this sheet, which is 11 cents per kilowatt hour, 12 hours per day. So I hope this sample is helpful to you and can give you a rough idea what you could expect if you were to do an energy efficient upgrade to the lighting in your facility. Thanks, and this is Jimmy Hovey from Hovey Electric.